In this video we will be looking at days of the month in our date and time triggers. So if we add a new trigger, select date and time, select days of the month, we can then select which days of the month we want. And we would normally combine this trigger with another AND trigger, perhaps custom time. So say after 6 PM on the 5th, the 10th, the 15th and the 20th of the month at 6 PM our rules actions would be run. Or we could maybe use another trigger like special time of the day, and we could select sunset, after sunset, and set an offset maybe of 30 minutes. So 30 minutes after sunset on the 5th, 10th, 15th and 20th of the month, our rules actions would be run.